Welcome back to it, Mapagania.
We
Back
back
with
with
another
another
one.
one.
Mafethu, Peter Machimbo studio, Mafethu, happy Mapagania. We just beat the Marumo Kalans 1-0, Mafethu, another cup in the bag, Mr. Mlambo. How are you, sir?
Ntanga like ukuthi ujabulile like it's still like into grand ukuthi sisho because like you always say it's jabulile mfethu. When last like did we lose a final?
Yeah, that has been a while.
It's been a while mfethu. I mean like I'm happy and imbombela like isiphethe kahle sibani.
Yeah.
Ipulukwana I mean to
Polokwane.
say.
Yeah. Polokwane is late. Ghost, your hometown, Limpopo, Mfethu. We came to visit you, Mfethu.
Yashisa kodwa
We came up with a trophy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ghost uzositshela ngendawo and everything.
Hayi bengeke size Limpopo mfethu eKaslami siphume singaphathanga icup. Hayi nakanjani mfethu. Yeah, it was a great experience. Lena, it was my first time go Peter Mokaba. So I think it's a beautiful stadium, nice atmosphere mfethu. I really enjoy being here mfethu. Ukuqala wena moya oshangi mfethu. It's a different breeze mfethu.
Fresh, yeah.
Twana. Easy just.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know how you guys are feeling about being here, but I nage itlwaetse hiti mfethu. I dlala nyane ibile no I.
Yeah.
It's next.
Yeah.
O bona letsatsi le 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 Ramaru no.
I won't lie, Tora, like obviously, in Limpopo, Mfethu, there's always that thing. Limpopo, uzobuya vele so black, so mnyama, yangithola into enjani. But so far, Mfethu, I think ilanga yangithola liphakathi kwamafu yangithola.
Kodwa mina ngiyalizwa ntanga. Yo, mina ngiyalizwa.
Lona liyazwakala mfana.
Yeah. But anyway, Ndanga, it's Limpopo in general, yangithola. I think it's a beautiful province in Mfethu, yangithola. Although we didn't meet like abantu ababhaya bangayi yangithola, but you can tell in Mfethu it looks like it goes still. Tell me if I'm wrong, yangithola. Everyone is minding their own business.
Yeah.
It's pity.
Yeah.
Odlula ngayi itaveni yangithola, odlula ngayi iziyawa yangithola, abanye babambene yangithola. So it's a peaceful place in Ndanga, and shout out to abantu abangayi mfethu yabona. You can see the place in Mfethu. It's not that big Limpopo back in the day yangithola, where infrastructure is still poor yangithola. Abantu baya-akha mfethu yabona, economy is growing in Ndanga yangithola. And then Ndanga, trip in Ndanga, what did you make of a trip?
Ntanga, it was a nice one. But like njengoba nginitshelile Karina, I felt ngathi it was small or maybe ukuthi mesijabule kakhulu. Amapagani Ntanga, they were excited yangithola Masploma ema petrol station.
Yeah.
Shaya inamba mfethu igqijo kusho igqijo. You saw ukuthi mfethu we coming for a win here, and amapagani siyabonga the way they support the team mfethu. Abanye baphuma eCape Town. Abanye baphuma eFree State. Thina siphume eSoweto yangithola, like the love from the team mfethu. It's something else. I think we had a great trip.
Yeah. And then Ndanga, like mfethu, amapagani Ndanga like asijabulele mfethu, like iPirates senza happy mfethu. Even though mfethu shala ama stops yangithola into enjani. Everyone is happy mfethu. Everyone is happy to see us yangithola na lama pre-match yangithola.
Yeah.
Beautiful experience all round yangithola into enjani. Coast, how was the trip Ndanga?
And then I think it was very smooth. Nerserishuma obvious, we were safe. Yeah, so the trip itself, the driving was nice. Obviously, you could see Luena Fito Sheba Mama side thing. It's just green if too nice site. So yeah, overall the trip was nice. The pre-match interview. We met Mapagani, some even from Kosoweto, we just meeting here, Limpopo, So yeah, wonderful experience as always.
And then Tata, how was the experience? Our director.
You give me that
Tata was
title.
directing yesterday. Both match interviews. Tata, on text.
I mean, the trip was smooth. First trip with the production, it was a good one. Hopefully, there'll be more coming. It was smooth, as I said. One thing I can give it to Ama Pagania and all the branches, they were organized. What I noticed was Puma Karachi, Melana, a convoy, no one is just driving around like headless person. It was a safe trip overall.
Safe trip
Yeah, when I give it to them, they were organized.
Ne?
Yeah.
And then Pagania look chablisile.
Lingijabulisi. Lingijabulisi.
Bulala wat.
Yeah, Bulala Bantu, yeah. Bulala Bantu. Overall, it was a good trip, man.
Yeah. And then I want to bang obviously you saw a stadium, young tol. In terms of the way we were behaving, young tol. Do you find them friendly people? And also, a place like in general, Limpopo, young tol. I know it's not your first time, young tol. Maybe you can even tell us about your first time experience.
Actually, it's my first time. When
you said
first
it's your
time.
first, ne?
I've done all provinces. This was my last one.
Okay, yeah.
First time, Limpopo. It was great. Abanbala, jolly.
Ne?
Jolly, happy people. Angibonanga i-fight nani namasesifika obvious abantu baphuzile nani but everyone was jolly.
Yeah.
I mean it's not every day that a final comes to Polokwane,
Yeah.
a big final like that. So for them to have that final, they were happy, they were excited.
Yeah.
They came out in numbers, the stadium was packed.
Yeah.
As much as Big Shisa must figure, but it was a good one, good experience. First time in the province. I was happy. I went to the all receiving, man, Bashap.
Ne?
Yeah.
And Ipita Muka like it's beautiful, but there's something that I noticed, and it's not well like maintained. In fact, like some of the things in Donna, TV was disappointing. Talk, yo.
Yeah, it's not well maintained. That's what I noticed. But I think in Kuluma no Coast, like they don't usually host big events. So even from security, it's not. They don't know how to deal with pressure, but they handled it well. There was police visibility, but you could tell it's not every weekend or every month that they host such a huge event.
Yeah.
Yeah, but still, I think they must maintain it because what I've seen there, I think it's a great stadium.
Yeah.
No mungena ntanga sitop the stadium yangithola. I think if they can just keep on maintaining infrastructure yakon, everything is gonna be well. We're playing a final. So we expect the standard to be there. I think they're going to host it. They're supposed to fix some TV wabo because miskhala ngesikhathi ukuthi isikhathi siva usakhumbula Coast isikhathi segame kanti nazi lana like it took some time ukuthi sisibone mara overall ntanga as much as ama TV mekuyi stress but izinto ezipha I think it was well and it was well organized in terms of parking, in terms of the management. I think it was top.
I'm huge kudos to them. Parking. Remember our last trip with it, like we really struggled. So parking goes there. We have to keep it to them. And obviously, after the game, we did the post-match interviews. Shout out to Wangama Pagania for our post-match interviews. Beautiful, in general.
Yeah.
And then who was a standout in there?
Ndanga ngikhohle igama layo kunale ethi coach me bafuka umthela ngotshwala
uSheikh
wale bafiki
uSheikh
le ethi Pirates yasijabulisa angazi ngeAfrikaans teka inkwasho fat what ayabona le yana ndanga like I think as much as we speak about the football like we analyze ama game, but it's great to see abantu abahappy ntanga because of the team is doing well. I think uka ube wanyusa nemood yami like from happy le mengayo you see
yeah. And then like you could see what Pirates is doing to us. It was almost like we having a smaller party, and everyone is happy with it. Pagania, Coast was your favorite.
Hayi mina inkabi yami nginikile mfethu beekeeper. I keep a bit. The pain landed.
Safely. Yeah, safely. Tata, your favorite?
For me, beekeeper as well. This is our team ebantwini. Yeah, favorite statement.
Yeah, beautiful one. Beautiful one. For me, I think it was Pucha with that.
Yeah.
And I also like to see like he was stressed to the occasion.
Ah, of course.
Yeah.
Trust to key.
I want to Pucha with it, Pucha will let you.
Ah, of course.
And then I felt jealous for a moment. It's a
Yeah.
final in Tangavele Sita Sira.
Yasonisho.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Tony punching ya, Tony Squaquaya. Yakuthola VIP ngishiye ngara kugenera ngivela ngara ifinally dog yakuthola into. And then coming to game ndanga, what did you make of the game?
Ndanga, I think game izolo it was a final and it was interesting. Mina I'm always happy to see ukuthi we go to a final in a team like abantu ababhaya sicabanga ukuthi incane, but iza so like abantu ababhaya they think igalance team encane.
Yeah.
But they were not scared of us. Hadi abapakanga ibhasi ukuthi hayi you'll wait for Pirates to come at us, then we'll attack. Yes, we started well. Ndanga first half Makhupa should have scored. Really we were press lapha. Makhupa win ibhola kunayikhipha uphasa umuntu.
Yeah.
Uyangithola like those moments. And I think first half as much as iGallants mayidlala, yithi Ntanga mesithola ama chances apha. We were not like clinical like lapha phambili. Masindu itholile sharp phezu kwepali. CM uyitholile like apha uyangithola. But I think overall it was a great final Ntanga because nalezi iGallants bezingasisaki. Kunesikhathi second half lapho Ntanga ubona amabhakani ukuthi ayisithulile Ntanga sekhatha lezi zikhosi. Nalezi Sundowns itshe ukuthi hayi sizodliwa lapha like Ntanga we Orlando Pirates. I think it's a well deserved win. But sikhindile le.
From and I mean, I don't think like they posted too much threat to our goal to see Poche but in terms of like we know they did that very well. But you must see, man. They were move. On the first half, I think the most dangerous player was Undondo. He kept on finding spaces. I was frustrated. Someone needs to pick Undondo because it's going to hurt us. But it's like the game, and then towards the end of the first half, we were frustrated because sometimes I need to sometimes not the game, but you keep on saying at least if you can just get one goal and then the boys will get going, and then when Maskai told you we started being frustrated. Then as you said in Danga says bona namafeno opposition child riding siba encourage iGallants but in Danga second half I think if you change yonke leyo nto Sapyaga riding, but obviously we'll get to him. Sapyaga Master Chef really changed the game. What did you make of the riding of the game?
Yeah, I think in the Gallants didn't threaten us a lot. Gumrao. It was us not bearing our chances to really create. Although they were also not like, it was mostly the half chance. So we didn't really get a lot of clear chances. I don't think we even had one. So yeah, it was that type of a game, and I predicted it will be difficult, and it's gonna be like a 1-0 game. Yeah, so
It was a nil game.
What was? Kulmen mapagani.
Sorry, mislead. I thought taking my mate. That's saying now as I predicted. I'm thinking, what is he saying?
No, but I think it was a tough game, but great effort from the boys. They really stuck to it, especially Real and Fit. I like Real's effort. He's a big game player and Fit to that boy. And he's still gonna give us a lot. I was happy with the win. Yeah, but the performance, it wasn't our greatest performance. I think a few players were not at their best. But yeah, you can understand if it's at this time of the season, the games as they've been coming as well. Yeah, I think
and
you
think
can.
it's it's not a league game, it's a cup final.
Yes.
I think it plays a bit on their neck.
Their mind,
the back of their mind, they know they can afford
Sure.
to make a mistake. Especially crap with it. This cup is gone. And just like that, like we are under pressure.
There's no second chance.
There's no second chance. And as you said, I agree with you. It was a scrappy game. I remember I'm a post-match interview. I kept on asking Pagania, who is your man of the match?
It was a difficult question.
It was a difficult question. If the people are scratching their head. And you could see it was a average performance because omunye nomunye ube no man of the match wakhe. Omunye nomunye ube no man of the match wakhe.
But before we move on, I just want to add this.
Yeah.
I think iGalants now, like you shouldn't sleep on them.
Yeah.
Average.
Yeah.
Because they kept the ball so well.
Yeah.
Frustrated. They play in tight spaces, changing the ball like young tall. Sometimes no good pela. First half, if you remember, they had a lot of mistakes there when they tried to start the balls. Meswawi na maning singa convert.
Yeah.
But Masai Ham became say 30 minutes they were doing that so well. I
Yeah.
think also they were the part yokuthi like singabi negame elimnandi kakhulu.
Yeah. And like great point. And Leo Germany kept on. And if one thing I can tell you, if you like that chance, if you bury that chance, it changes the complexion of the game. Young tall in danger.
Yeah.
So game of that magnitude in small margins. Young tall in danger. Hope bury that chance.
Scores cool.
Bury that chance. Young tall in danger.
Yeah.
That. He kept on saying, I hope I should have buried that chance. We were frustrated. Now
I
understand.
would have changed the game definitely, yeah. Lapo maybe by 90 minutes it was about 3-0 as Amapagania predicted pre-match.
Yeah.
But manje with that chance caused a lot of frustrations. Even amongst the players.
Yeah. Your thoughts on the game? Do you think it was just an average performance from everyone, or do you think Uti Pirates dominated that game? Because some of them are Pagania were saying in Danga like we dominated that game. And then you check like on hindsight after a game, you can see if it today game Marumo hardly got anything. Young Tola Sipo was on a honeymoon, young Tola.
I mean, credits to Marumo. Marumo played well, especially first half.
Yeah.
They could keep the ball. Mara, obviously, they don't have experience in final. It's not every year or every 6 months or every 3 months that they go to the final. Pirates in the experience that I rang. They know how to keep the game. They know how to go for long. Even going to extra time. It was just obvious. Mapagania will winner. They just needed one opportunity, and as they did, it was a game of both, man. From both sides.
Yeah.
But I'll give it to Pirates.
Yeah.
I'll give it to Orlando. I'll give it to Mapagania.
And you could see if it's like once we went to extra time, Coast, young Tola. With the quality that we have on the bench, that this is only going to go one way. Young Tola in danger.
Yeah.
Imagine if you have that luxury to introduce Master Chef. I like imagine that Coast. Like imagine that. Like it's unfair on other teams. Until like it.
Yeah.
And then Coach EP in Tanga. You can't question this guy. This guy keeps on. When we put a question mark, young Tola in danger, he just comes up and he comes up with an answer there. 2 cups in a space of what? Is it 3 months or 4 months? Young Tola in danger. Short space of time, young Tola. Top of the law, to this guy. This guy is this guy. Let's tell uNkulunkulu.
But news nithi puti.
Yeah.
I think that Coach JP is going to frustrate us. Namanje ngisasho.
Yeah.
Like le out le izokufrustrate and because lo umuntu lo yakayenza izinto ezisimple thina sizibonayo.
Yeah.
Uyenza izinto zakhe. We kept on crying ukuthi Masindi was not in the game, Tanga. We like Noma Sweeney, but Masindi was not in the game, Tanga.
Yeah.
If a player is not in the game, him don't, Tanga. You protect that player. I think it's up Yagambat and Tanga. It was not a good sub for me, you understand.
Yeah.
But like gave us shape. Okay, I understand like cash and care. Because mega on a yellow and then no masha is up yak. Sibe mnandi angithola cause umbathu khonile ukudropa urile wangena phakathi umremi wayesayidini but I think intanga leya kaMasindi intanga uMasindi make ngadlala kamkhiphi umkhiphelani uyamprotect because sina amabhakane sogcine sithi hawu Masindi ini usona so kanti ucoach Masindi is not having a good game Mdonsi yes uyifixile second half masefa uMaster Chef abodasini mara ntanga like icela mkhiphe make ngadlala iGrand.
Yeah.
That's the point which is I have. But coming back to the coach also, I think lo coach lo iPoza ntanga. I didn't think ukuthi uNdaba can start the final.
Yeah.
But uqalile lapha. You understand lo coach lo yayenza ezinye izinto ntanga. Thina sizibona.
Yeah.
Yena uyazibona.
Sure.
And like lo coach know how to win. Qineni nokudliwa.
Yo.
Like sithi siyadliwa. Ukudliwa kwethu sadliwa lapha eKongo and asiyibonanga.
Yeah.
Uyangithola like ukudliwa kwethu. That's why thina every time when we come here to a podcast sikhuluma ngama wins kuphela. And angeke simsola ucoach kakhulu but mina ngamsola ngaleya kaMasindi ntanga.
Yeah, and lighting, and rightfully so, mfethu. Ngizolene when he criticize ndang coach, we not saying ukuthi he's trash ini.
Ntanga yenza izinto zakhe.
Yeah, ngizole into enjani. Okay, it's fine, but then mfethu you can still fix. Ngizole like no one is perfect. Ngizole like almost like 90% of Mama Pagania, we could see that ukuthi Masindi is off the game. And you said protect the play.
And Masindi is on the yellow.
Masindi is on the yellow as well. Because I think it was ngalesikhathi ngetoilet 90 minutes. Ngithola manje toilet. Intanga ngezondanga amapagani toilet mfita yakhala mfita. Ngithola mara lo coach wenzani. Ngithola ngithi umbona ukuthi uMasindi akekho. Ngithola into enjani. Like it becomes like clear to everyone that this is the coach's favorite player. And I think that can cause friction in the dressing room. As you said as well, I think you said it.
Kuzoba nama groups ka, kuzoba nama groups.
Yeah, ngizole into enjani. Coach man just fix that. Ngizole overall he's doing a brilliant job. Like brilliant. This coach he knows how to win. He knows how to win. That guy is a winner.
And there is this thing which we spoke when we started this podcast. Angithi babedlala i-preseason. Sasho ukuthi lo coach lo ulethe structure sokudefend.
Yeah.
And I think that into may short nakulama game esidliwe ukuthi sephambili. Now we know how to go forward. And we know how to defend. How many clean sheets have we made this season? Phela nayizo the clean sheets iputi. And we know how to keep the ball. Nasikhathi swina ntanga sesishaye 1-0. Tanga sikhipha ibhola kamnandi. Master Chef wafaka noSibisi. Uyangithola. I didn't see that. I was also frustrated ukuthi why keep uril. Mara isebenzile ntanga. So ucoach mina ngamgayi 8. Hayi 8 ngokuthi ispan sakhe akashaya iGrand. But ukuthi akafix ntanga lezi zinto lezi ngakafiki lezi zakaMasindi. If uMasindi akadlala, if uMbatha akadlala, akabakhiphe ntanga rightfully so. Yeah.
And that's a good point in that you're raising. A pre-season, if he kept on saying the structure is there, and defensive, if we are solid, and defending as a team, I think if he managed to do that so well, considering what he just came in, I think you guys know he used to be a defender. I'm saying he position. Defend.
Sure.
You can tell what his first instinct when he came to let's stabilize the defense. Because you know if a defense wins you a title. So I think that mentality works.
But you know what I also saw on Donna recently? I saw a clip where they were preparing for this game.
Yeah.
And he was like giving instructions and like coaching, like training session.
Yeah.
And fethu utlora uthethara and fethu utlora into ibatlanya ibatla fethu.
Yeah.
One to make the pass perfect. One to fix it. Move. Don't stand behind the menu. Yeah, one to kucho no utlora. Ina linto ibatlan liet. One to and no yaba instruct and fethu. Hey, when I so. One to and no shebel tiskere la ngwabona rama ni feta. Asi ori
Everyone knows
where to be. So the movement to structure fit. So I would tell them fit their coach. I think we must give it to him.
Yeah.
And Magenta, another one. I think we must also give credit to Coach Mandla.
Yeah, Mandla nigga.
Mandla bafethu like akabonakali ne.
Yeah.
But like naye that guy ucoach ufika kupakani uyamsupport.
Yeah.
Like akusunoma ubani into ongayenza kanjalo yang understand and like omunye angafuna ukuthi hayi mele kube yimi coach but Leah doesn't have those things. Supports the coach where every decision coach akayenzayo it's behind the coach. I think he's a great leader now.
Yeah.
Ku Pirates.
Yeah, and he's there for the boys as well.
Yeah.
That's
He's
a
there
good
for the
point.
boys and all. And I think some of the decisions like they work together until
Yeah.
our one son
Sure.
until through 8 years until because Coach Waru, as much as Lena is sometimes a dictator, but some we saw during what's the thing?
Giant.
The Giants.
Yeah.
The Giants.
Bucks, what's
Yeah,
what?
Bucks
Yeah.
thing. They,
Some episode.
sometimes he gives like even players until like, to express themselves until I think he gives also Mandla until like that until so
Sure.
Mandla Lena obviously he shouldn't relax Lena he must know what maybe if coach is not there he must step up until and take that responsibility.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and I think through experience, through different coaches, and that's how you get to that level, young John.
Yeah.
And the likes of Abu Rulani, they did that under Pizzo, and so
Yeah,
like look at
sure.
him now, he's flourishing, and so on.
Yeah.
That's what we need. Do you agree with the 8, Mr. Mlam?
Yeah. I think I'll take an 8.
Yeah.
I'll take an 8. Yeah.
I'll take an 8 in Danga. Just that day in that substitution, I must in the
Yeah, and him touch here.
he must do the right things there. And then moving on to Sipo Chain in the
And Usipho Ndanga like means business now. Like you see Usipho attitude yakhe has changed. Like nanga le ndlela yokuthi sithi uyadlala. Inyukile. Yes, other people will say he didn't do much. But like when he's needed,
yeah.
you're going to find Sipho.
Yeah.
And I know he was waiting for my penalty if you were there. And because that's what I know. You understand?
Yeah.
And I'm glad for ukuthi usiphi distribution yakhe intangi khulile. Nje makunombathi uyamgaya umbathi ibhola phakathi inyawo zakhe seziloose manje the guy can play.
Yeah.
You understand? This kunale engikukhalele yona. Nanya umuntu esayidini uyifake phakathi ngize ngithi umisqueue. Makasikhonile ukuphuma, you understand? That's what I like about Usipho. There was nothing much to be done like in terms of ukuthi save amabola, but when it's needed upon, I think it's there. Na ngamgaya 80 like for the mere fact ukuthi it's always there for us. Uskama clean sheets even noma kungekho nzima nokudlala kwakhe ntanga it's so good for us distribution yakhe imnandi ntanga namakhona sekawabamba kamnandi uyangena la ntanga put himself on the line.
Yeah. I think I agree with the 8 in Sipo Mfethu is someone that you can rely on now, like really Mfethu young in danger and it's not sleeping. They always make sure Uti defenders are on their toes. No silly, no manga business. And as you said, Uti distribution can improve it.
Yeah.
That was a pass, and I'm telling you. So that's a pass, but great. I think 8 12 is another clean sheet as well.
Another
one. Great. And then moving on to Livizo.
Kalibitso kamalami.
Yeah.
Akunale ethu libitso bamenza ipopa anyalaga kancane ayimakalana naye ayimgayile problem. Mina that was my first time seeing uLibitso like he play lokho limenza so. Yes, he could recover ne amakale ntwana uhlalise intanga
Yeah.
and ntwana yethu yangithola I cream. But like overall ntanga uLibitso ukhonile like and what I like about uLibitso he play ngamgaya stress yangithola but igcina yena.
Yeah.
That is what is nice and I think Naizoludla le grande kakhulu mfethu. I was happy to see him alokuluka push mfethu. That was a final.
Yeah.
Untanga ubuya like no injury like a season injury now he's playing a final. I think it's a huge achievement individually for him.
Yeah.
You understand ukuthi adlalela. It was not a bad game but it was not the best game also for him. Yangithola le ntwana le cosmate lokuluka imkama kana around ngamgaya 7.
7.
Yeah.
I think it's fair. Then you know sometimes to more like a tricky winger, ne?
Yeah.
You find yourself more big game, ne? You don't want to see that guy abambi the ball and going one on one with the defense. And yesterday I didn't feel like Ulibitso like was under that threat. Lama Pagania Kalanga. That guy had his own toes.
Second half le ntwana le yangayi or le ntwana le ibeza on the left. Ngibone kanjalo.
I mean,
Even noma kungasiza into ezibhaya but that's what I saw.
Yeah, for me. But I agree with the 7. The 7. I think the 7 is fair. Young in danger. Then moving on to CM Mantanga, he hasn't been playing Young in danger. When he comes, You must call him Mr. Clean Sheet because when he comes, he stabilizes the defense.
Shut the back door.
He just the picked off. I thought so. No, Siema.
That's my first 10. For me, he was my man of the match.
Yeah.
Danga, if you are a defender, you know how to recover or how to cover for other defenders. That's top.
Yeah.
Van Dijk is a top defender now. Abanye bazotha, Van Dijk is not good. Because of it does that. Not every time you must be good with one-on-ones. You must be able to anticipate and read the game. If you can check, Usiyama uclear amabhola by move. Pela Gallant was coming at us first half.
Yeah.
But Siyama was always there, covering for Mbogazi. Mbegezeli first half, I don't think he had the best game. But Siyama was there and to go walk through with him. Siyama second half was there, fighting. Extra time was there, fighting. I think ulibone Siyama, I'll say it. Ile light ile ndanga. Elishayinayo makalibona akalishayina kancane ngathi khandlela. But like we gonna see the importance of him maybe maseke hamba kusasa. You understand? Of course naye is on the verge of going. You understand?
Going.
No, uzovaya soon. Uzoshiya uzoya phesheya. I'm telling you, Usiyama Ntanga.
Goes through the Lagaboma.
Bafethu sina. Coast. That we need our players to go abroad.
Yeah, they
Magava.
need to.
For us, I think like Usiyama play linjalo mfethu.
Sure.
You understand that he's good technically, he's good defensively and intwana.
Yeah.
Yangithola if like now uyayithola opportunity akavaya and mina like Ntanga isikhathi mathokosivaya if uyenza so it's gonna go with that guy. And the squad must call him. We need a player amancane Ntanga adlala grand. You understand? Ngibonile babiza Smith. Smith has been doing well ngara. But I think Usiyama Ntanga naye mekangangena kule 25 man squad. Sekhane sengiyibona leyo nto ukuthi like naye he deserves to be there.
Yeah. Strongly share the same sentiment with you. Like Siyama is a quality player, or how he doesn't go to represent us there with squad in Fetu. I don't know. Fetu as a quality defender and I pretty much has everything. You remember we were crying about our mistake.
Sure.
I think slowly but surely it's getting rid of those mistakes. You can see this daddy. Magabambi Polo, the boy is assured. He knows what he's doing. And I think it was a beautiful performance as well from Udade. To be man of the match, I don't know about that. Coast, do you agree with the man of the match, Mr. Mlam? 10 out of 10.
No, my man of the match, I would give it to Really. So I think Siyama Bafetu had a great game. I didn't see him put a foot wrong.
Yeah.
So I understand where Mr. Mlambo is coming from.
Yeah.
For me, my rating I was thinking about my 8. Yeah.
Me too.
But I understand the 10, Mr. Mlambo.
Yeah. Another clean sheet, in fact. It's Mr. Clean Sheet.
Sure.
I think it's beautiful. Although I think first half in London, I'm tagging and then I saw London kept on going to Siyama. I kept on going to
But Siyama money to cover all those things.
Yeah. No, really, yeah.
So Pandon.
Hey, yahlupha.
Yahlupha Ntanga.
Tura.
That position.
Good. London Ntanga is a star.
That position.
Short Versace.
Because I'm looking at him playing that position, and then I'm looking at Masindi on the other side. I'm thinking, hey man, I don't know if Masindi man or Kenyata pressure. He must try something there. Let's penetrate there.
To think this is our play.
To think this used to be our play.
And then that was on smart in that.
Smart. And you pay like you police structure, but he had strength. Sure, I saw him a couple of times, like shoveling. Quality play. And then moving on to TLP.
Mbegezeli, I don't think uqale grand in town. You understand? But like we can give it to him. There's a lot of things going on around him. Yangithola naye lezo zinto lezo zizofika kuye zimkhabathe kancane, but like ubuyile like uTLP mina from the last past 2 games ngendlela adlale ngayo. I don't think uqale grand yangithola, but izinto kazenzile there was no threat. Unalela lehedela umuntu sizesikhala. Those were the few mistakes akawayenzile and lezi zeGallant ngathi sishilo ukuthi ayisizompress umbekezeli because we know ukuthi uconfident but igame maseliya ndanga hayi uTLP ukhulile in the game uyangithola the way amapass akhe entanga le awuthi pass ibhola
I pass it ball.
they are like Mike pass ibhola like you can see ukuthi a player is passing me now
You said
You
it,
understand?
Duvara, you said it.
that
Y'all
guy
get
knows
bad.
unalapho mfethu direct to libitso umkhomba le wavula iwindow so uyangithola
Stop
beautiful
it, dog.
pan
Hey,
omunye
yeah,
mekazokusukumisa
yeah,
nda uyangunderstand
Yeah.
TLP and I'm happy for him it was his last game abambi pande won the cup US represents abroad in Tang I don't think he had a bad game didn't have a marvelous game but I don't think he had a bad game and from second half ukuya phambili I think he was playing so well like ukhulisile from first half yeah no TLP ngamkhaya 7 or 8 I don't think it's going to be a problem.
Nah. He had a decent performance with TLP. Although Ndanga being frustrated because sometimes if TLP if you like you've grown to know this guy doesn't have a mistake in him, young Zol. To see him this past few games, young Zola, making these kind of mistakes, it's disappointing, but as well, I get it, like I understand, young Zola, there's too much going on in his mind, young Zola. These things they can distract. Like he play young Zola. But as I said, I'm glad that he managed to through a game my year when the confidence like Yabu young Zola in paid him for Tilamapaso. I remember you used to say, "Tu cheve di pastel organ tin dona de, não in dona chapa so."
Yeah.
I chapa di pass in dona.
The boys ready, fit. It's Europe
The
ready.
boys ready.
I think TLP fit had a good game for now overall yesterday. And for rating, Mr. Mlambo, I was gonna give him an 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah, I think he had a good game fit too. Those passes is fire fit too. Quality, boy.
Top.
Quality.
Marana lean more towards a 6. Like it was a decent performance. Nah, not an outstanding. Once you say 8, it's an outstanding performance. In fact.
But like I think now he didn't have like a lot of errors.
Yeah, a few first half.
He wasn't beaten physically 1-on-1. I think he came all right. In fact, he gave us forward passes. In fact, it's crucial.
Yeah.
I think he had a good game for me.
Yeah. What do you think of UTLP yesterday? That do you agree with an outstanding performance, or do you think it was just decent?
For me, it was just decent, not outstanding.
Yeah.
CM was there to cover like mistakes.
Yeah.
When he did the first half, he did a couple of mistakes.
Yeah.
I'd give him a 7, lean towards a 6.
Yeah,
it was not the best of Umboazi. I think again,
Yeah.
his mind, if you have con probably, then he got high states.
Yeah.
But he's ready to move. I'll give him a 6.
6.
Yeah, solid 6. It's not the best.
See, our
We know
director is
better.
sharp.
Mkhulumile mos iPFTV.
Ayakhuluma director sikhulumile.
Oh, that director there, Mr. Mlambo.
Ayile yambuza ukuthi was it outstanding or decent?
Thought it was outstanding or
Ngiyadlala,
decent.
ngiyadlala.
Yeah,
Ngiyadlala,
I think it was decent. And then we saw Undaba surprisingly on the final if it's a big stage like that. Do you think this is a shift in Danga to say if it's like Undaba now, this is his position and Hutu must take Ndaba out of this position?
Oh, Ndaba umkhulu. No, I don't think it's a shift. I think it's our coach doing what Coach AB does.
Yeah.
Coach AB ndanga ngeke umconfirm. Angeza masibuya kufakela uHuto kanje. You understand? But like first thing first, I'm great ukuthi uBoy udlala ifinal because last time ku MTN 8 bekangadlali kakhulu. Ngithola zange ayidlala ifinal yakhona. At least now ukhonile ukuthola ama minutes and like ngiyakhumbula sisho ukuthi ngiyazaba uNdaba manje njengoba sekalala uyangithola igame seyamsina maka maybe ulimele you understand but like I think the boy played so well. There was something which Tatane said uBoy njengoba awu left adlala left back can open umzimba wakhe ayisa amabhola on the side. And I think he does that so well and what he did so well yesterday ama crosses akhe
Ne.
Ngikhala ngawo ntanga hayi mekasibuyisela futhi first half
Yeah.
asikhona ukudla mfethu I think udlale grand the only mistake akayenzile but like akayenzanga ngamabomu ilele limshayela
Yeah,
was trying ukuthi limdlule
Yeah.
lamshaya ngemistake but overall ntanga udlale grand ngamgaya 8
Outstanding performance.
yeah
Do you think Undaba it's unama riding, unama similarities no my earlier well?
ntanga yazi ubeke grand izwe ngizokuphendula unawo yazi why ngisho umayela ntanga asaseyintwana mikadlala almost similar ube waba nenkinga wayiyela maseke khulile because mesekakhulile manje wonke umuntu
bafethu banalitsobotsinyana bafethu mara in terms of play bafethu
izwe ukuthi ngiyavana phela mayela take nothing away hayi ukuthi mekungathi quality play but maseke yo retire hayi ntanga mase kunokuyela because nesquad mesimbiza before like this because like mikadlala grand but ikhona ntanga obusimilarity yeah bukhona ntanga yes I didn't see that but now I see
That good. I know but they look almost similar but the style of play
Haylo wamala season lo hayi
mara Undaba iclever bafethu
noma yela mfethu you must check umayela ntanga make fika ku Orlando Pirates like 3 seasons akasigayona so mfethu so
nengomashe le Undaba iclever le
yeah noma yela mfethu meka iclever I'm telling you
it's not a bad thing because I mean the guy was our captain
and he was playing so well ntanga before
no but the play ayifani man
yeah
hayi play yabo ayifani ngiyayibona lento ukuthi maybe bancanywe i-touchline mara le yamfethu man iclever inokulivala yazi Undaba
no what's na kuskishe bajwane like at this moment in time I think the boy Nwana is still levels to go to but at this point in time considering a lot of things like each game time and whatnot let's be honest Nwana is not there as yet
but we are cooler each and every game
but the way he's growing he gives me my last vibes
mina mengayiboni but I do see
ne
asiboni ngokufana
and then moving on to Cash and Carry ntanga
Cash and Carry ntanga uyabona umadala make khona lapho ukuthi uMakhawula ukhona the black ball is snooker mfethu number 8 mfethu like uMakhawula mfethu naye unkalento le ngake ngayisho ngoMahupha presence you can feel ukuthi there's someone there ntanga okhona ogada imali lapha ya nabombatha bayakhona ukuhamba unprovoked bangathuki intanga ukuthi hayi man kuzosusala la kuvulekile entanga yi10s kunalento leyo shilo ukuthi like kunalento menihlale nisho ngonduli unduli ukuthi akatheni kakhulu make phethe ibhola ngithi hayi I defensive player vehlala ibuyisa uyathena ntanga uCash make thola nje ichance because kunale I think uphaswe umbatha I think wayiyekela yamdlula wathena how sidlula ama player we balance I4 now we attacking and I think it's a good thing I was surprised ukuthi coach umkhiphile but coach had like ama plan akhe and I was surprised ukuthi uqalini but udlale grand intanga kakhulu I don't think he was poor and I don't think he was the best but udlalile kahle izona ngizomgaya 7
I think udlalile ntanga with Cash ntanga you can see sometimes experience ntanga with not experience playing there the guy if it is not the type of defending that will get sweating ngithola working very hard ngithola I think he's smart ngithola he knows he doesn't have the legs anymore obviously ngithola ifuna like simple ngithola let's just be here sikhathi imali ngithola I don't find him there okay then there uzoshaya la marano wakhe lawa crazy ngithola into nje but if it were a decent play and I think intanga cause yesterday he said ukuthi udaying uSihlenduthi when he comes back ngithola uzoba ne problem ngithola and I asked you ukuthi but intanga mina mangibabhekile they pretty much do the same thing ngithola but in hindsight mfethu ngiyabona ukuthi uCash like has like slightly ngithola and obviously because of his experience because of his age ngithola Unduli na is still gonna get to those levels until with the game time and the experience ngithola I think it was a beautiful performance by Udaying uCash Vula, what did you make of Cash?
Cash money. Hayi bafethu, awugamile ukawu. Hayi uyibambile. I think mina ngiyanizwa bafethu nithi uNduli makabuya ini hayi bafethu Cash uyibambile leya eka Cash. Yeah.
Sithi uNduli mayebuya uzoba nestress.
Yeah. Hayi mfana eka Cash leya position.
Straight.
Washaya Cash
Straight.
mfethu. Hayi ngiyalika iHotman mfethu. Hayi on. Yeah.
Don't you think like we didn't rate him that much, Diary?
Yeah, I
Tshela
think-
mabhakani ukuthi ungathi we. It's you and Ghost.
Yeah, that's we.
Oh, undaba mawuthi we ngathi ufaka manje akangifaki mabhakani yakudala ngimi.
No, Mara Ghost, rightfully so. Sometimes in Tanga, you see what you see at that time.
Exactly.
And players can improve over time.
And you must give it to them.
You must give it to them.
Yeah.
Don't be stuck to say, I said what I said.
No, I'm not saying ngithi mina
won't
ungangifaki
change.
mawuthi we didn't. It's me and Ghost mabhakani we didn't.
Namanya mabhakani. It's not really us.
Hayi
And,
qhubekayo.
But yeah, cause you can see if the experience is coming into that day.
Yeah. And I think the confidence iphaya man and uyabona ukuthi
Midfield of the season.
ne smile like he's enjoying man.
Yeah.
Ngathi he's like, you know what, mfethu I'm there to play. It could be my last game. Let me just
Yeah.
give it my all.
Yeah.
Yabo,
Yeah.
umuntu enjoyayo
Yeah.
mfana.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I really enjoyed his
And I
performance.
think it helps in Dwana li welcome him Kailinyo.
Sure. Yeah.
Like it boosts his confidence. Right, man.
Sure.
These guys, they really miss
Like
me.
me.
Yeah,
So, like,
yeah.
there's something if when you're on the touchline, you know, in fact, I can make a difference in this team.
Sure.
But the team is carrying on even without me.
Sure,
There's a young blood that just came in, Sitlenduli. Everyone is singing praise, Sitlenduli, and you
Sure.
sit there and you can't even compete for your position. And you can see if there's things that are happening. AFCON is coming, World Cup is coming. Age is not on your side. So, as a player, it's not that into their impact.
Yeah.
Sure.
But beautiful in that, like to see him back. And kudos to him. Utom Kayangaki.
7.
7. Do you agree with it, Ghost?
Yeah, mina bengizomka 8.
Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bengiline ama 8 and like me.
Uyabeka ngelayi.
Yeah, I think beautiful. I take anything.
Sure.
Sure, no 8. And then moving on to talent Mbatanda.
Antanga 10.
Yeah.
Hayi singayile ngithukile ukuthi ucoach umkhipha
kanje,
kanjani.
yeah.
Danga that guy can anticipate ukuthi okay le bhola leli lizoza la.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't have the speed. I must come here.
Yeah.
Now we must go forward.
Yeah.
I told you ukuthi danga the indlela ibhola liphusha ngayo uTetlin rayiswa ngayilo ya.
Yeah.
Urayiswa ngayilo.
Sure.
Like
sure,
he's
sure,
good
sure.
going forward with the ball, that
Yeah.
guy, and it doesn't
Carrying
lose
the
the
ball,
ball.
yeah.
Yeah. Like yeah.
Ayicubeka.
Ghost doesn't rate the Tetlan Rice.
Yinja le ngincanya senala kodwa ingwenya le.
Yeah.
Yangithola like the way yakhona ngaphambili intanga nokushaya epalini intanga. Masithi shoot uyasimamela and for that intanga that's how him guided. Yamamela umbatha.
Oh, talent of funny. Man of the match.
Yeah, I will give him too.
Like in to Umbatandanga, that running off the ball in fit, don't take it light. In fit, like that to goes to it. Is that instant to come from the right? Ne?
Yeah.
How quality down. How the spaces like this? Yeah, that guy started just running.
Yeah.
Running. And like his body and his strength, he's able to use them well.
Sure.
Ngathi uwane ground.
Young girl, like before you know it, if it him like you, I think it was Ndaba at that time. Running, yeah, on to long guy you are one or still on goal, in fact.
Yeah.
Beautiful quality to have, in fact. We really need that, and it's a different type of a aid to
Sure.
maybe Master Chef or maybe Namta
Namta
Chena
Chef.
Masindi. One so like
Yeah.
that as well.
No, I once said na Fitori, the guy is an all-rounder. So he gives you everything.
Yeah.
Wabona hayi ukasimsoleka next talent mfethu. Ke ngasho ngathi singaba nabo talent abayi2. Ngiyakutshela. Besicedile. But yeah, I think beautiful performance from Uboy. I can understand more oral is your man of the match.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he had a great outing. Yeah. I'll take it.
like talent mfethu what's like it's if ndona like adlala wo challenge ikasi mfethu I think
Sure.
Mr. Mlambo once mentioned it like awisheba uthi maybe idlala leona challenge mfethu like uthi wabona uthi mina ke staff maybe
Yeah.
tribula zamakhaya mfethu ibona uthi nje
isitribule
ayikathola
futhi.
opportunity wathola kirele ke
Sure.
wayebona he was always mfethu since ale mnandi
Was always meant to be where he
he
is.
was yes wathola kirele ke and you can't avoid that talent mfethu
Yeah.
wathola. And
Fana
the name
negama
says it all.
lakhe. Yeah.
Nakuba bambonile ukuthi anali talent.
Talent imbata.
Bamnikini.
Ne. Managing director. How do you see your talent if it yesterday?
Matha umnandi. I'd say nginovumelana no Ningo kara ngithi 10 out of 10 but I'll give him 8. Yeah, 45 minutes ayidlalile.
Beautiful.
Beautiful udlalile.
Ne.
Udlale but I'm giving him an 8 based on the sub engenile uMuremi. It's not a bad sub that came in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
so-
you see,
But he
'cause
was
I
not
remember-
supposed to be subbed.
Yeah, he was not supposed to be
'cause I
sub.
remember you
yabo.
were saying it ukuthi
Yeah.
but why coach
Yeah.
doesn't take off unoptachela and so.
Yeah, bekumele ukhiphe ngubani le
Masini.
Yeah,
Masini,
unoptachela,
Masini.
yeah.
Mara mfethu yabona udlalile fit 120 minutes abamkhiphanga. But Fumbatha in the solid 8.
Solid
8
eight,
udlalile
ne?
for that 45 minutes ayidlalile.
Yeah.
Udlalile. Kuna I think uyabona target ne?
Yeah,
Uyashoot.
Leya mfethu ayipheli game leya.
Uyashoot,
Ngashusha.
yeah.
He makes sure wathola kirele ke. So beautiful if it from talent Mbata Ndanga. Moving on to our left wing riding Rile Mufuke.
Coco Melon.
Yeah.
I think we said it ukuthi I think I also said it ukuthi Urile is gonna score in the final or where. Yangithola. Last part ngithe score is 2-1. Ni check
Indawo Mr. Mlambo na 7 episode mapakani alivele athi Rile will score. Eventually uzokora uvile.
Rile sana. Ngizoniphendula mapakani.
Aratara var.
Akbar.
Let's go.
Iva mapakani.
Low probability.
Mapakani makani ipeyende ya. I think Urile is a big like is a big player like thingathi ngithini manje mapakani
Big gameplay.
big game player he's not a big player singamoshi big game player uyangithola nje yami because ngakugaya mawuthi Urile was the man of the match bethi Urile like if it's such yakhe awuthi yami
Yeah.
like mfethu like ngathi ibhola like kunedluda
In a PhD.
in a PhD I futhi is more than a PhD that's why angazi ukuthi
Yeah.
I think like sijabulile thina ezamapakani kuba noRile because Urile like masikhipha umuntu if udlala esayidini simbuyisela phakathi
Yeah.
if sifuna ukufaka umuntu phakathi simbuyisela ngaphandle esho ukuthi 2 in 1
Yeah.
ntanga kusunoma ubani mfethu and igoli lakhe lihle yile liswinisi
Babi goal baba they all count one.
Yiko ngishilo ukuthi uzokhola ngathi ama episode ayi7 ngishilo but going back to game yayizola I think first half was not that good for him yangithola because mesinokumcinga singamboni because of Gallant was keeping the ball so well but I think second half ntanga ube wakhula like igaming you could see Urile kunalapho alanda le Gallant I think extra time or second half on this side let us shaya side
Oh yeah.
that was going to be a beautiful goal ntanga and like we happy to see Urile sekabuya sekayenza lezo zinto you understand because we've missed the boy so much but for igame yayizola ngizomkhaya 8
Ne.
yeah
But Ndona yabona that moment in fana I wish I could see him do that more.
yeah
Angashama kula
And he
phaya
used to
phaya
do
play.
that.
Yeah, so because he has the ability to definitely.
Yeah.
But no, I think he's more about assist wantola and
Mdala
passing
mfethu
yangithola.
mfana hayi
Yeah.
he's old that boy
He
but
has an old soul.
But I think in Donna like numbers are coming now. And so like really
Sure.
if he's not assisting,
He's
he's
scoring.
scoring. So you can safely say Ridwana like relay is back.
Yeah, and that's the relay we know.
This is the relay we know. And so like it's like a beautiful performance from Urile. I was sitting next to Tata. Nenzeke umuntu akayisa edenza ayi hey lentwana imnani yalala shapa lithenze dingi mfethu
Shapa
Kire,
lema
hayi
10.
mophilo ngire hayi uzatlo umuntu hey lentwana imnani wanthola kilele ngisho like intwana this is the relay you know mfethu wanthola relay will do this to you mfethu kusho no utenga disguise ngare simple intwana because sometimes wamphasa ne ghost Mona no there's no space in fit. Mfethu like certain like out of nowhere wanthola
Sure.
kiwo mfethu really siyabuthi space wanthola true pass is coming and like beautiful.
Mfethu, that's talent on another level, mfethu.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
very
like,
rare to get.
very, very special, mfethu.
Yeah.
That's the only way to describe it, mfethu. It's very special.
Yeah.
Wanthola, and Donele, mfethu, like, I don't even know what to say, mfethu. Ronaldo master chef on almahlo ifo, I like it, mfethu.
Yazinele into enokuyenza bamphasa ibhola ne abe ngathi uyalitrapper alise ngara.
Said,
Yeah. Atsunoba ubani.
I like to know about that. That's the one player long coach mfethu ngasimind asky sapa like off man.
Yeah.
as player usapi,
As player osapiwa
Ah.
yele mfethu. As player osapiwa.
Kibo Messi, mfethu. Lale
mfethu.
off, mfethu. Motlwele.
Motlwele mfethu.
He just
like,
needs one moment, mfethu.
Yeah.
One
yeah,
moment.
yeah. That was it not nice when I like to see real life and fun like doing those tens, those skills, those shots, like everything about that point is special in fact.
Top class. It was proper seeing him live. Kunalama angazi uyibiza ini ulotshe beke incane like rere mawuphasa ibhola uyibambe so.
Oh,
Such-
it was-
It
Ah,
was perfectly.
yeah.
Really umnandi.
Albaleki.
Albaleki next.
Kunedluka ngithi la
Yeah.
ecoxing like Mabelians bafaka idluka.
Bafaka i-glue.
Awukazibona?
Igrere. Amarayini uyayishaya. I believe that bafaka i-glue.
Yeah.
Ibhola inokuzaka right so le ntana maqeda igijibe ngithi really is too nice bafethu. Really is too nice.
I really is special. That guy is special. You need to protect that guy in fact at all cost. Once I like it,
National treasure, mfethu.
National treasure mfethu. Ima 2000 yatlamla emanyane. The boy must play football. So like, he must focus.
Wonke kancane.
Tabulala teleki di blue light, mfethu. Lezi ukuthi bazibele bazinika abo Cat Matlala.
Awunabo udlile kumele babe nama blue lights 5 phambili.
Yeah.
5 emuva.
Sure.
phakathi.
That's fully next, mfethu.
Ube ngabafazi mfethu for real. Uzomthola maseka nabo 30 so.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our diamond, mfethu.
That's our diamond. Shout out to really. The goal is a scrappy one, very, but we will take it as we said. If it Kikola finally, it's a goal that decides the final.
Sure,
So like,
sure.
you're gonna get a smart kid, like, you have to. Every final
Every
is
final
scores.
scores.
How many cups?
How many cups?
No,
In
you must
all
have
the
said
cups.
something.
If he's got 8 cups, probably 7 cups. He scored in the final.
He
or
scored.
6.
And if it, like,
80% of the
imagine the success if it did this early stages of his career. If it,
Sure.
like, taking
Abo
cup,
Foden le abayenza lezi.
If like left, right, and center of it. Yes. Beautiful from Rele Mufuki Ndanga. Moving on to the other winger, Upuli.
Police like I spoke to you ukuthi le outside dlisa ibhola.
Yeah.
Yeah. Noma soyitsho ukuthi idlisile ezombona ntanga lomuntu phansi kwekhwapha sekasukumile sekashiya abantu.
Yeah.
It was not a beautiful game like make liphethe ntanga. You
Yeah.
can see ukuthi now ngapolipoli and I was surprised ukuthi uphumile naye too.
Yeah,
It's another player.
surprised.
And what coach into engiyithande ngocoach izoluyenze lento mengiyifuna ukuthi aqalise umremi ngaphandle because I always believed ukuthi umremi makengena like uzongena lambini. Because wapolice uyahlala ngena as a sub. It was nice to see him aqala ngithola.
Yeah.
I don't think like uyenza impact ebhaya in terms of ukuthi uzokora mara ntanga keep that guy there.
Yeah.
Keep that guy there. I don't think he played so bad yesterday. Ngamguy 7.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. I agree with the 7 as well. It was a beautiful performance by Puli in fact.
Yeah.
So intention. Moving on to Masindi Nopachera.
Masindi John Wing 7 days ngeviki.
Yeah.
Mfethu Masindi I think ucoach intangamela protect mfethu.
Yeah.
Yes Masindi mina ngiyamthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke.
Yeah.
And Masindi can work, can spanner kakhulu but like coach give Masindi a break. You understand? I know you want Masindi to do a lot of things. I understand but give Masindi a break. because mfethu uzoyenza uMasindi ukuthi agcina zonda ama-fans ngezinto akangazenzanga uMasindi.
Yeah.
Don't give umfana umthwalo ophezu kwamandla akhe because like we have a lot of people. If uMasindi uyasindelwa, like anyone can come in and then cover for Masindi. We have Silep, we have Dancing, we have Master Chef, we have everybody. Ngithola, I think first half it didn't do so bad because ube washana sepadini washa phezu kwamapala ngithola. But he's not Masindi lo oqalile ngithola. And now uyakhathala, there are a lot of games now. I think ucoach Ntangamela amrentise. Amrestise kancane. And what's good also about Masindi? uMasindi awasha amafoul asisizayo.
Yeah.
Yellow card yakhe mangibona ama-highlights entangameka hambile watladise there wamvimba yangithola. That's what is nice about Masindi. But yesterday it was not a beautiful performance or marvelous, but it was not bad also yangithola. But ucoach Milam relaxes. I'll give him a 6.
Yeah. Ghost here, what do you think of Noptachela Masindi?
John Wick. Yeah, mfethu na I think sometimes kinalo understand anyane coach la someone separation wabona mobani mfethu. I felt like yeah natamila mo restise wabona mo protect ukenye mthomo wabona, especially Ronaldo Penchem nati wabona. You've got a lot of options. But yeah, there's something or sometimes kinalo understand or wabona unalo rely mo stamina sa wabona. Yeah, but I think yeah, mobani mfethu we needed like someone hungry mfethu to penetrate nelang Marumo Gallants. And I think Master Chef should have been introduced earlier for Nemtachela. Yeah, it's very, very hard to rate him. But if I wanna be generous, I'd give him a 5. Yeah.
Yeah, that's being generous. That's being generous. Mr. Mlambo is super. For me,
okay, you can go on.
Because for me, when I go to it, and I keep on saying, Noptachela, Wantola playing as an 8, Wantola, Noptachela, he becomes like the invisible in the game,
yeah.
Wantola.
It disappears.
And for someone who's playing that position, it shouldn't be Ghost, Wantola.
Yeah.
You can't, you're 90 minutes, you fell into Sabonali, Rubona, then the last minutes challenge, you cause the foul. Okay, they're good fouls, Wantola.
Sure.
I like in where you were the first place, Wantola. He hasn't been doing so well, and coach he must protect the player. Because now it's a universal decision. Like everyone can see it. Or this coach's favorite player. He's gonna create the division in the dressing room. He's a good player. You all know, and then like he's being anonymous as an 8. When you take him now and say, okay, now go. Now I think in one like a behind striker role, it's a more difficult a role than being an 8. So like being an 8, okay, I'm not undermining the position, but if I'm putting these two positions, the one that is most difficult is that one, because there you are creating. We're looking for we're looking for someone like you for chances to be created.
Sure.
Like coach taking him from that number 8 role. Email last few games, and then putting him as a number 10. I think coach na like Yambudala. And considering, as you said, coach, what do you have on the bench? I mean, we have Master Chef, we have T2, there are no singers in our squad. You can easily put one of them. Really can also play there. Why do we keep on forcing Masindi?
Sure.
I think that's unfair from the coach. Man, how treat them a player man. Doesn't understand when a coach, please treat the players the same. But it's unfair on other players. Imagine how Tito was feeling sitting there. He wasn't on the. He's saying he wasn't on the match day squad.
Suspension.
Oh yeah, suspension. Yeah. Manzon.
Ushenko ngathi bekangekho. Beka suspended. Yeah.
Manzola. But just that. Now that's the one negative that we can take out of yesterday's game. But overall, in fact, it was beautiful. And then, Coast, Wana says yesterday, what did you make of Wana says?
Wana says? Yeah, I think Skomota missed a lot of chances, man, yesterday. There was that one, Fitzy, I hit Fitzu.
How many when you say there a lot?
Una late Tibang Molaini, Fitzu.
Yeah.
Really, and
Is that clear chance one?
Oh,
Yeah.
young toy. And if it give final, if it period that,
Bury that chance.
One,
Yeah. So what if you bury that chance?
Oh, I understand it's a different
Yeah,
game.
clear.
Hey.
Yeah,
Oh,
clear, just like that.
Yeah, I think in fit to he needs to be a sniper. Fit. You just need one chance.
Yeah.
Get one chance score.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Yesterday I was not impressed. Score me.
Yeah.
Yeah. 4.
Mr. Blambo is happy. That's what you make of Skomota yesterday, evidence my hope.
Skomota mfethu, he's a striker mfethu. He was supposed to bang goals mfethu.
Yeah.
Gara une-goal alisavile, une-goal alisestraight. Une-goal alisestraight ku-player mfethu. I mean there's a player there, there's no keeper mfethu. Pick a spot. Yabo. Ukhuphula ibhola kancane yabo because ngeke ayibambe ngezandla. Uyabona?
I don't even
The header
know
was
what
so
to say.
disappointing now. Yabo, as a striker mfethu, you tall.
Yeah.
Supposed to have technique mfethu. Mayifika gara kuyibhola, he's tall mfethu gara la bola if beke iflikile nje. I think a police was behind him. Someone was behind him.
Yeah.
Someone was behind him.
Mm.
For me, I'll give him a 5.
Average
Not below
performance.
5. Yeah, 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the performance.
Stem Lambo, we have 4, we have 5.
Yeah. You know what I can say overall, yeah, like Medako Hungwe. The first one. Yeah, bona that first one. I was supposed to pay it because like Ndangupasu Moon. Sisi we need espresse kamnandi. It's a good press for us to be there. Score Malaka. Sekoneni yangithola. The second one, yeah, the technique could have been better because ugoalkeeper uyaphuma. Mawungalithinta nje ulflick. Siyadla baba sepalini. Leli limshayile lakarile for me. I don't think like he saved it. I think the position which he was at, it was wrong. There was nothing he could have done. Ukuthi akobe like mesikhuluma ngayo before the pod.
Yeah.
Mina I feel ngathi like ntangi position leme kakuyo. It was wrong, but I don't think ulivimbile la ball yangithola. But overall like him playing, like him fighting always there. I mean like I'll rate him and that's what I like him. Ngayo. What he just has to improve. Lawo ma chance la isikhuluma ngawo. You must bury them school because if final yangithola. You bury that chance igalanza isikale problem isikayona.
Yeah.
I understand. But overall, look what you I was happy to see that. I was happy in effort I can thank. In terms of my goal, if like kukorile mina mezonyuka kakhulu maybe ngamka 8 or something. But since angakoranga nokuthi miss ama chance, if 5 yakatata or 6 angamka. I think it's too harsh school.
Yeah. It was my first time like hearing you, like you're a bit frustrated. So I think that goes to show like he had a frustrating performance and so.
Yeah, and
Like-
but nalento show and ukuthi he was at the wrong position.
Yeah.
Intensity
Sure. Easy izinto nje akumele azimprove. Hayi le ngiyayithatha school.
So evidence simply to like he keeps on giving us like basketball performances. Like if it last week he was so good, this guy if it good. Remember giving him flowers. And I remember Pucha who said as well in
It's gonna win us the
he's
league.
gonna win us the league, young Jordan Dunjan. And then he goes on yesterday, so he completely does the opposite of what he's been doing, young Jordan. I think he's a type of player that he is, coach. Like, let's be honest, because Komota is not that player that is maybe technically gifted to one sola. He's a hard worker, young sola. He'll have his games and his moments there and there, one sola. And I think yesterday, like, it was one of them, one sola.
Sure.
I think in fact to Mutuma must get a chance, one sola. I think you can clearly see now it's him and Mutuma, one sola. If one is off form now, the other one is working now until like
Sure.
so and that was a below average performance for me once. So I think I'll agree with the 4.
Say Kulumini PFTV.
I say could really BFTV. And then moving on to our first sub coast, Moremi, ne?
Yes,
Yeah.
Okay,
Mremu for Makaula.
yeah, for Ketleni Makaula. I think Moremi, he was nice. When he came in, he started to, he's positive.
Sure.
Everything that he does, like he doesn't speak with a sense of agency. You can see already. So that one player that is trying to pull you in, and I think his introduction, he introduced energy into our starting 11, and he was getting, although sometimes he was going on to that other flank, and I don't really like him on that flank, because once he starts cutting, sometimes he makes like wrong decisions, sometimes he overplay ball, look at your cut, but once I try to cut, you have so many options. I think he becomes confused. Unlike when he's on the side, once Albamba, he has two options. It's either shy ground cross or a shoot, in danger. But I think it was a decent cameo from him. What do you think of his performance?
I think danga uyibeke kamnandi mawuthi uMoremi is positive.
Yeah.
Moremi is a winner, and like that's what I wanted. I wanted us ukuthi uMoremi angene second half.
Yeah.
Asikaye another thing and usikaye energy.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuvumela kakhulu. I think usikhulu into ekumele ayilungise uright akusogibela itaxi kuphela. Nokudlala ibhola liyadlala. Because udlala ngenyawo eliwani. And I think like make nga-improve na ukudlala elinye inyawo and abantu bazophela ntanga. Yes, he can't be that good yangithola ngo-right, but naye make ngamfundisa nje ukuthi hayi ithi ngikhahlele ngayo yangithola, but I don't think he had a bad game yesterday, and make qeda ukungena we looked like we're going to score.
Yeah.
From like make gijima ntanga, you can see ntanga i-attack yaka Moremi. I think Moremi had a good game yesterday. Angeke ngimfault kakhulu ngamka 8 maru right nakhona ukudlala ibhola kusogibela itaxi.
Yeah. Ghost. Mr. Mlambo is saying right is not to climb the taxi, but also use it to kick the ball.
Mr. Mlambo is cooking now. and he's saving. And
Washing the dishes.
he's gonna do the dishes. No, I think Mremi Fetu, yeah, I agree with Rakena, like we looked more dangerous. I think Fetu Ndwana, he's cutting nje aka pace down Fetu. Wakhatha grand mfethu, take the first person mfethu, plug the ball at the top corner mfethu.
Yeah.
Until so what wakhatha ngiyocala wabi 2 wabi 3 wabona.
Yeah, good point.
Yeah,
Good
wabona.
point.
At least think you one pace the ball wabona.
Yeah.
Then we see what you're trying to do. So yeah, yesterday mfethu unale ball ele mfethu bamgaya ngahlelela, that's supposed to be a goal mfethu. Ke goal tsentsantsa di kora mfethu. Wabona my trap ya bithu ke tsebe trap snacks.
Yeah, like poor second touch.
Second touch,
Yeah.
boy, that's a
Took
goal.
away the chance. Yeah.
Wangithola ra khoneng ene ke 94 mfethu. Ra celebrate. Wabona. So yeah, ke tlo mo penalize ra. So maybe ke tla monka from in 8 ke mo ise go 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you're raising an important point in Dona. I wonder what our Jimmy like because for me it's like our Jimmy he plays that left wing position so. And then our cookie me and I don't worry what he said, alright, let's swap and so when he's there. He like also he practice in Cheruanga. Because sometimes it's easy, Dona. It becomes easier you be all come right then with left because you can just cut in J1. And then place it somewhere there. All.
And alright, that we practice.
If you practice that thing, I'm telling you, coach, there's no way you're gonna get it right. All. So you can see he doesn't even attempt it. Once I tell a cut, go far. Then what we push.
Exactly.
And then he ends up
Doing
giving the ball
nothing.
away because of poor decision. Because everything like it's like a speed, like fast. Who am I giving the ball? So, at that time, Kamware like it's congested. So if you don't make that decision a quick second,
Buying
then, we sins just like that.
Sure.
So I think I'll agree with the 6, ne?
Sure.
I think I'll agree with the 6. Although he wasn't bad, so he came in It's
A lot of energy.
Yeah, a lot of energy. And so like moving on to our next up, other day,
Master Chef actually Mbutsuma.
I know it was also.
Oh, do you know to Fonda?
Fondaba, yes.
Oh, okay. What do you make of the identity notice scheme?
Was for me, Hoto. He's always Hoto, man. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, for yesterday, without dwelling too much into it, I'll just give him an average Hoto 5. Yeah.
You agree with the 5, Tata?
Otto being Otto, yeah, I'll agree with the 5. I feel like Uban
Auto being auto, like, is it something that you heard from Ghost before? Or something that you just...
obviously Ghost always complains about Otto. Otto always
Oh,
complains.
like influence.
I think at the back of his
Auto is auto. Auto is auto.
yeah. I think at the back of his head he goes to Otto 5 rating like every match.
Yeah.
Every match. I still feel like Uban I wish he could have played longer, like extra like 10 minutes but I think yeah, he was playing beautiful football gara.
Yeah.
But I ngizomkaya 6, I won't go to 5. Ngizomkaya 6.
Yeah, I don't think it was a 5. He came and he showed some positive things. And I think it was a different dimension in Yanandanga once he came. I think Otto and Ndawa, like, they're two like completely different players. I don't know how, but Mawashe was not like he was way too different. Just left backs.
Sure.
And so like what did you make of Otto Ndanga?
Yo Ntanga, I think undabula imali ngesikhathi esigrand, so I just hope uba grand first thing first, because like introduction akaHoto mesiyidinga on that game. You understand? I think bekwabo 65 or something, because uHoto like usikaye iline mfethu. Even if you can't play, Siyama can find Hoto anytime. If you can check Hoto Magengena, how many crosses did Hoto make? You understand? Hoto like uskyline, Hoto mabeqeda ukukhipha, angazi bakhiphe bani extra time, Hoto wayodlala phambili. Or wadlala left full back, yangithola. Hoto usky izinto ezibhaya ntanga nokumuza ugozi uthi Hoto being Hoto, but I think uHoto like is so vital for us, yangithola, especially when going forward. Is so good, and I think yesterday he had a good game, because like ungena intanga sipam yabo qeda ungena umremu uthatha igame usisela lona phezulu sayehlanyana mangena uHoto liyanyuka futhi igame, because Hoto was always on the left. Hoto was always willing to run, you understand? I think Hoto played so well ngizomkaya 7
yeah. And I think in Tanga, like the fans in Tanga, they play a vital role.
Sure.
You could see if it's like once Hoto like warm up on feet. People were cheering, becoming excited.
Sure.
I think Lena they didn't have some extra motivation, some extra energy. These people they miss me.
Sure.
Because sometimes in Ghana when you guaranteed like a game time, like when the coach Abita starting 11, your name will be there.
Yeah.
Like it becomes like something that is repetitive, and you don't even feel these guys bang appreciate that. But when you sit on the bench and then out warm up, and then you can see people starting saying if it was stadium I think like a boost and I think as I said like he had a decent game, so like different dimension as I said in fact. You can even take that 7,
Yeah.
And then our next up course surely is Mbutsuma, man.
Yeah, Mbutsuma for 1 assist. 64 minutes.
Mbutsuma Ndanga.
I think intanga yabona lama sub la Mbutsuma boDasin. Mbutsuma Dasin senkohlweni nobani.
More.
Those ones mabengena mebangena ngokulwela like ibatch now. Ngathi they smell igoli ukuthi nali igoli liyeza, because intanga boMbutsuma mebalwa. That guy jumps everywhere. That guy is always ulimele. Hlale kuza i-first aid izo attend because the way he fights, you understand? And those are players which we need. Other people will tell you ukuthi Mbutsuma hasn't scored ugcine kudala ukukora. But check what it's giving us. It's giving us press, ntanga. It's giving us hunger. uyalwa lo muntu off and on the ball like uyalwa, and that's what is good about him. Uyakhona ukubamba amabhola walethe esayidini kunaleli intanga angazi mikadlala nobani uthi uhlashela uhotho ngara esayidini uthi uyambekela
yeah.
manje i-pitch may-wet ibhola
yeah.
labalela and
Yeah.
uzenze boma 3 times lezo zinto, and we fortunate ngokuba nestrike esinjengoMbuthuma. You understand? I will learn to appreciate him isikhathi masihamba because that guy is a fighter mfethu.
I think we are appreciating him.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
Amapagani, I think they are coming to see the importance of Mbuthuma
Sure,
right
sure.
now recently. And so like
Sure,
coming
sure.
off the bench or starting, you'll see that guy. That
Sure,
guy
sure.
fights. Young so like he fights for everything.
Fights.
I know you always say who's Kobota gives us presence.
Sure.
I think in the not to score more, Mbuthuma.
Sure.
Like that's the guy who gives us presence.
Sure.
Like when you defend them, fit. Like in fact, you can bet Mr. Mlambo. Surely they might defend them. Fit. Ma wana Mbuthuma or mapa. Fit. This guy when Marangena. Fit. They know what I wanna manje fit. So chuluga man. Young he fights for everything. Fit. He fights for everything. Even a loose ball, even I would think I see your puma. Fit. You'll see. Young dog is danger.
And iyarayisa tsutsiyele mfethu.
Yo,
Rise
yeah,
am fit.
jump.
Rise am fit 16 fit. So I think like when you compare him to Komot and pound to pound, one so like it English well. I think they are similar players, one so like it English well. If Komot of course like sits in the box like in recent games, one so.
Sure.
The only difference between the two is that this guy has that heart.
Yeah, and it's stamina.
For the game. One so like it English well. And I think at the moment that will give him an edge.
Yeah.
So like,
Yeah.
And you mentioned, and I don't think you are the first person to mention Nuri. That guy jumps.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
also PhD mentioned on his daddy. That guy is a high jumper.
Yeah.
So like that. If it that guy jumps, goes to
If
it.
it
Like some
arises,
balls
yeah.
it's impossible. It's only him who say, okay, I'm gonna try. If I fail, I fail.
Yeah.
So, like, if I get it, I create a chance.
Yeah.
So I think in Fana it was a decent performance from Buthuma.
No, definitely. I think Boy uzamile too much mfethu.
Yeah.
Yeah, uzamile weekends forth mfethu. He won a lot of balls really. I think ushotile kakhulu vela nje. Yeah. And never came sole awulu. I think limachita bamcreatela ball zephaya. Yeah, he didn't get a lot of chances. So, yeah, I'll give him 5, 6, 5 and like
That was decent.
Mina ngibuza guy 7.
Yeah,
7.
7. This 7 I'll take. 7 I'll take. Then moving on to our next sub coast.
Master Chef, let him cook. 83 minutes. Ngene Lumbat.
That I saying is a super sub.
Street.
What are you saying is he was a super sub.
Umaster mfethu udala simkhwaza mfethu. Udala simfuna from 45.
Yeah.
He was introduced late mfethu. But ungene wayichinja igame.
Yeah.
Mbule is too nice mfethu. It's too nice. It's too nice mfethu. Mbule mfethu. I think that nama player am trust mfethu.
Yeah.
Nama player am trust. And someone said, I don't know whether it's you yesterday in the post match. Someone said ukuthi I wish I wonder ukuthi ucoach ubahlebelani labafana makazobafaka.
Yeah.
Because everyone goes in with the same energy.
Yeah, it was me. Yeah.
Goes in, plays for the patch, and wants to have an impact in the game.
Yeah.
There's something that he tells his players, but we don't know what it is. But whatever he's telling them, Oshokon.
Everything.
He's telling the players the right things.
Yeah.
I mean, umbule mnandi. Mnandi
Mnandi,
mfethu. I'll give him mfethu ngumgayo 9 mfethu. I'll give him 10 ngumgayo 9.
Yeah.
Even the goal lize ngayo.
Ngamgayo.
Lize ngayo.
Athi yasawa.
Uthi ngamgayo. Some guy no 10 mfethu. Some guy no 10. Mbule is too nice. Even after the goal mfethu, there was where who's this young Tasin when he was introduced.
Yeah.
You could see sometimes amanye amabhola gayo umbule because uyamtrust umbule. Abamba ibhola mfethu. Check ama player mfethu. He's too nice.
Too nice. And you said Uti like I'm a player like I'm Tema. I don't
100%.
think you just Tema.
100%,
You must watch that guy. I like he goes there and say I'm the chef of it. Just give it to me. You don't have to complicate things. Nkayona wantola I'll find space. Ngitotshena ka yena mthu and I'll give it to the nearest person. But I'm I don't even know what to say. Close to it, like I was baffled by that performance. It was too nice, too nice. Seeing like one player, I'm fit impacting the game that much. That he literally like did everything.
Umoni mo etshwara ngare.
Qete ya mkhahlele
Let him cook.
Yo, and I wanna even the skill, ne?
Sure.
Because the show is not control.
Yeah.
I'm not like we saw so air.
uthini ngalelenze so angazi uphase bani ngesithende so
Yeah, whatever mina my stand out le mama aish. Kill Master Chef with
Wija.
I only enjoy it. It's the blambo.
ayintaka mfethu like mfethu uyangunderstand lo muntu le uthatha ibhuqu usilethele rona ku professional
Yeah.
makuyenza ine professional level
Yeah.
uyangunderstand master chef mfethu makengena lapha yami kathi ngiyostabilize lo yamjida meka ngadlali final mekazi enjoy izona because intanga masiqeda ukukora I think Master Chef yazi intanga we can give him man of the match abantu vele
Yeah, some people will say
change igame kakhulu intanga
Sure.
like because like leya one leya mina I think is protectelwe ayisapya kasibisa ayisapya kamanje because like mesinoka alikho ibhola kadlisile intanga mesingathi sisejimini sinoka ibhola no ziyalifuna design Master Chef mfethu was the center of that and it's good when you say uyazithemba ngokwakhe hayi uyabatshela ukuthi hayi mangabe like ngake ngabukela enye iPort I think mekabo Munare nabo Figo Linda Mtamo but Master Chef uyasho ejimini la kusikhukhuni ukuthi mangazi ukuthi yenzeni ngebhola lethe la uzokulungisela yona usiphola loyo and you get to see ukuthi that's why nama player Pirates ayazi ukuthi hayi usiphola can do anything with the ball anytime but the good moment akayenzile izolo kunalapha shaya khona ntanga ngapha on the left wathena uthi uthene kanjani ewabuyisa enyino lapha ngithi this guy is so good ntanga that guy makes football so simple imguy 10
out of 10 performance like Master Chef ntanga like is gifted in fact
it's gifted
it's gifted. I don't know coach what man give Master Chef more minutes in fact like just give Master Chef more minutes
and there's a PhD Pirates mekangazi ukuthi seyiphendule ke i-rehab
yeah no there's no speed for a black child but in fact we coast but Master Chef but Master Chef do special like Master Chef was special
nakile katsho mfethu kare akuseboni ukuthidlala sky
sure that guy is special
ngingazama ngathi ngiyabafanisa ayikho neyiwane efana nalo yatsotsi mfethu hayi leke njawulo mfethu
and you must check something ne attitude yakhe grand coast
yabona
siyakhala mfethu Master Chef mfethu nokungatholi isikhathi esibhayi manje ukubona Master Chef angena salka uthi Master Chef ukwati entango yangena shaya isibhayi asuke la if akadlalanga grand it's one of those days like uyangena yena shaya isibhayi asuke la sijabulele
and imagine intanga cause no uyabona ukuthi udlala kahle imagine once Master Chef like bamgaya a run of games
sure
goes umoya we know ukuthi Master Chef doesn't have but through our game time that's where you get more that's where you become more confident ngithola into enjani the first touch yakho can even be more silker than what it is now imagine if a coach had that trust that is giving Masindi that he had in Master Chef
sure
ngabe sikhuluma minye into no ngabe like ngabe you were talking Themba Zwane at his prime like that so I think coach man just give Master Chef more minutes in fact that's it more minutes for Master Chef and then the next up coast
it was dancing extra time for a police
he gave us a lot of energy ne
a lot intwana what I liked him a lot and he showed confidence on the board and he linked up well Limbule and as that I think mentioned he was also always looking for Mbule and I think he really had a good outing
Manda
a police
because it was interesting he was playing on the right
he was going more to the side
Wantola and hey mfethu I didn't know mfethu like unale krag and dan unale nyabo wanzo I
Yeah,
thought
yeah,
maybe
for
ke player
Western.
ilungori wabona you know those
Too
smart
nice.
players yeah too nice wanzo he still if it he showed the other side of him if it, that you don't know as Pirates fans and how did you make of his performance?
Awunazo zonke ntango ugosi uyibekile like he gave us a lot of energy and like ntanga dami sesingasadlala ibhola mesesidlala ngenhliziyo like for us to
Yeah.
win like we're playing for the badge
Yeah.
ntanga ke extra time sesibona ukuthi la bafise kumele siwine
Yeah.
you understand and it was part of that because the boy was marking, the boy was running, the boy was hungry ntanga, the boy wanted the second cup. Yeah, ke angithola and I think he played so well mfethu ngamguy 7.
7 eh?
Yeah.
I'd give him 7 as well
Yeah, I wouldn't argue with that as well.
for your effort. And then I think it's the last sub goes ne.
Yeah, the last sub it was CBC for President Yama 2000.
Bodlela leyami.
But it didn't have a lot of minutes ne.
Yeah, Ukenika second half.
15,
Yeah,
15.
yeah. Extra time.
115. 5 minutes, yeah. How did you make of his performance?
Awungene 15 minutes.
105.
Yeah,
105.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mina ntanga it was good. Ngikwatile manje ngena mara it was good. Hayi yakhiya ba KJP uthi hayi ngeke sayeke le. Entanga ukile ntanga usibiza.
Was it you was complaining?
Yeah, uthi hawazi faka usibiza manje. Hayi maka ntanga ngisebenzi. Empethu akumele lokho ufuna ukuwina smart.
Ushilo ubeekeeper wathi niyoze nithi puti kule yakala.
Hey, yabona uKJP uyabona ukuthi yabo manje wanile. Hayi manje siyakhiya. Asidlali. And egiyekile ntanga usibiza
Yeah,
ugathela amabhola engaki.
Sometimes we become emotional as fans.
Yeah,
You even
but-
forget ukuthi this is a cup game. So
But
let's
masihleli now,
lock the door.
masihleli
throw
now
away
because
the
you can
key.
see ukuthi hayi man. Yeah, that one was a good one.
Shut the back door.
Egiyile ubhodlela randa. Wena amabhola engaki tum yakhathela.
Yeah.
And I think it was good and I even said it naku ukuthi sesilwela yonke into when it's a foul wonke ama player agijima ku ref no ref that's not a foul when ibhola mele lidlala like mase silwela yonke into because we wanted to win and I don't think ubhodlela yenza izinto ezibhaya but I'll give him a 6 ntanga for the efforts ubhodlela fought for us and also what I said ngombuli ubhodlela uyayenza ubhodlela akasalki ntanga make ngadlala
Yeah.
comes in the game and fights and give it his all.
Yeah.
Some guy 6 ntanga.
6 ne. Yeah, I think a 6 is fair.
Yeah, considering the time, I think the 6 is fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then moving on to the main lady of the event, the referee. They call her Akona.
But to accord.
How did you make of her performance yesterday?
I mean, as I said, I'm sure she's being criticized a lot. Mfethu yabona. Phansi kuyimosha game. Phansi kuyimosha game. Ama decision wakhe were questionable. As much as sometimes it would be a Marumo's foul, but I guy Pirates. Obviously,
Yeah.
you're not gonna say hi we select Marumo mfethu
Yeah,
yabona.
yeah.
I think well, someone said it last night. Sometimes yes, you need to give Abo Refli a chance to grow
job.
and to rev on a bigger platform. But if I not,
Good job, yeah.
and there's a crowd here. If
Yeah.
Umoshi came, things could like go so bad, Kara,
Yeah,
from the crowd.
yeah.
For someone like that, I feel like they should have given the final better ref, someone else.
Yeah.
Maybe Wakona's or refer something else. He in the PSL, man.
Ne,
Yeah, well, maybe more games in the PSL, but not the final.
ne.
She almost ruined the game.
She
ruined
almost,
the game.
ne?
But big ups to both players from both sides. Azange bamulise kakhulu, they didn't lose. They cooled with the ref. They just kept on going.
Yeah.
Yeah, badlala idisk.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah, that's those are my thoughts.
Yeah. And then some of the fans are saying like referee, like female referees must charge for female football, you know, men and must charge for men. What's the take on that?
I mean, if that's where we live in kunama feminists nani yabona.
Yeah.
They want to be involved in everything yabona.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a league for women.
Yeah.
I feel like she can ref there. She can be a good ref there, ref of the season
Yeah.
in the Hollywood the Women's League yabona.
Yeah.
I mean, if they want to incorporate them, big ups yabona. It's inclusive, but
yeah.
just be wary of a manyama match.
Ne.
Yeah, well, just be worried. You can't in the final. Mfethu.
Ne.
Maybe as a linesman. Fine.
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah. It's a big stage.
Yeah, it's a big stage.
Mm.
Yeah, well, she must go ref where she can manage it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I felt like Izolo, even the way when I've seen a lot of players running into her, the way they were so close, nani. I felt like it's a bit intimidating maybe for her. I don't know. Yabona, but mengisibuza ukuthi lo sister ufila kanjani, like get players up close kaso, yabo.
Yeah.
Fine when you do it male to male, yabona. Now, as much as it's not the right thing to do as a player to face ref kaso. But imagine now a male to a female.
Ne.
Yabona right?
Yeah. And like women in general, when they are not they are not like that decisive goes to and so like women in general. I'm not talking about the referee one so like and I think
Jesus.
like I'm not saying every woman, I'm saying woman like in general one so like they are not like decisive like species one so like we all know that. And I think yesterday it came to show like sometimes when like when you make a wrong decision goes to fit and so just
Stick to it. Yeah.
own it if it
Hey, now why change just
no I wanna right when you say I'm wrong I'm saying no I'm not wrong you are wrong you didn't say it correctly and so like
the instance setting whatever mfethu rona ne rena lo reva kasi mfethu watseba ha o sa bona throw in or ke ya ga mfethu wa thola ba shebella o bona ka di player or ke mango long kampolo wa ntso
bona re ya
o ya ring wa ntso referee shots mfethu ko professional mfethu you can't do that ka wa ntso la ka
She's got a mic piece, Can you imagine she's got a mic piece?
Yeah,
Not like quick reaction from the mic piece guy. No, it's going Marumo way or it's going Pirates way.
Yeah.
Like I think the Nabala is bam failed actually. They failed that. Bam failed Nabala is man.
Yeah. True. I remember I could say, and I was there, but I don't feel like Kuchacha fail. And I thought about it. I was like, who is this correct?
Yeah, sure.
Like you are Chacha fail. And so in the obvious, police will is a true. Obviously, you have to blow yourself. But after that, what happens after that?
It's a kind of direction.
Oh, Chacha fail. Bad performance. What did you say? Rate here, Tata?
Oh, I'll give her 3 is possible. Yeah, 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10.
As you said, she's the lady of the night. In fact, she wanted to be the man of the match. She wanted to be the star of the show. Yeah, with that, she got that at least. But from us, from me, it's a 3.
3 out of 10.
Yeah. Because things could have turned worse. In fact, things could have turned worse. 3 out of 10.
It was that bad, and I agree with you. Now, what did you make of our corner?
Yeah. And I think nine right to khala, but first thing Zuzala. I think Umama Kona has proven herself over the years ukuthi like she deserve ukureva for ama chance. Ngiyakuzwa uyakhuluma ukuthi maybe like Hollywood pets izinto ezikanjalo uyathola that. I think like she has been raving so well. You understand? I think yesterday it was not one of those days ukuthi refresh and angeke ngikhalele yena kakhulu ngizokhalela nabantu abamphikile because the game of that magnitude may phezulu kakhulu. You understand? I'm not saying she's not capable, but for yesterday may phezulu kakhulu. Ngithola mesingathola umunye umuntu ozokhona like mengikukhumbula bo Victor Gomez. You understand that we know ukuthi when it's a final there's going to be Victor Gomez. Yeah, she did izinto ezibhaya ezirong yesterday, but I think like isikhathi masihamba ntanga naye uzokhula abone and like she must learn from our mistakes akhe. You understand? Because sometimes amanye ama game unokwa refa grand in terms of ukuthi banokugijima baye kuye I feel intimidated that njengoba I don't think she does. I think she's a good ref in things oyisho, but yesterday it was not one of those days. I understand? I'm guy 4
out of 10. Good. You did you rate her?
Yes. Yeah, I think not to like penalize her a lot. She didn't have the best of performances yesterday. Below par 4 from Mr. Mlambo. I think I'll take it. A lot of room for improvement. For the referee. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of room for improvement. Yeah, and I agree with that. I'm not get three and so. To be honest, yeah.
I mean, if they can introduce a rev in a male team
Yeah,
or league,
yeah.
I'm not sure if it has happened before, where there's a female coach.
A female coach. Yeah, interesting.
Yeah, what?
Interesting.
There's a
yes.
reason why there's no female coach in it.
Asuke ndaba.
But yeah, yeah, I will go back to my review.
We're scared to be cancelled. Yeah.
Nafani
Afuni controversy.
asuke ndaba.
Yeah, but that raises some important questions that need answers. Maybe Mapagania can educate us on the comment section for those who are aware of these things. And then moving on to the supporters coast yesterday.
Mfethu sold out affair mfethu. Mfethu bekumnyama mfethu ePeter Mokaba mfethu. Mengathi sesikotini mfethu, estrateni ntanga. Umuntu iphakaniya mfethu. Ngibone nama truck driver antanga ayasiphakamisela mfethu. Yabo ukuthi hayi. Country happy mfethu. Yeah, even Kaizer Chiefs fans mfethu were there and Mamelodi Sundowns fans were there to witness good football.
Into ebengifuna ukisho bayenza ngathi abasifave kanti bazosibukela.
Undanga kuyafana noma ungasibukeli you are depriving yourself. Where else are you gonna watch that beautiful football mfethu? Yeah, mutu utlotlo rshebella mfethu. Wayibona re ke jwa. So I think the fans mfethu beautiful turnout mfethu, great behavior. Wabona Mapagani afihlile on time, one turn. Excellent mfethu, supporting the boys, singing mfethu, true 12 men mfethu. I think the Pacanias did fantastic yesterday. Wafethu 100 out of 10.
100 out of 10. Down.
100 from the Pirates keeper. Ibekile ukhosi mfethu estradini nase stadium blue, white, red, black.
Yeah.
That's us. You understand, and Amapagani mfethu they fight for the patch. This is a big team, dang. This is a big team and 100s I deserve.
Yeah, well deserved and great turnout from Pagania. So lot of fair within 3 hours. And so I think you are the only team that can manage that turnout in a short space of time. And so I mean, Peter Mugawa is not a small stadium. And so like it's the new one.
Yeah, it's the new Peter Mugawa.
You know, you can't just feel that.
The old one, Ile.
Yeah, I think that's society. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and it's a beautiful stadium.
It's
similar to
Bombela nyana. I'm is slightly better for me.
Which one?
The size of Peter Mokaba.
It's slightly better.
Yeah, I think it's better.
Really?
In terms, yeah. Also, maybe because also ngibone ne stadium management intanga. Izinto zala ziyahamba ntanga. Now go fresh, but in the stadium itself, I mean, I think it's beautiful.
But you complaining?
I'm complaining ngama TV ntanga. Ama TV.
Ngiyale isikhathi ngiyela la.
Yeah, ngitsho ukuthi TV sifana ngithi na imbombela enyayo
bana. Argela la coast bile. Nisujiwa mfethu baka ya hlisi twala.
Oh, namasiyele ngithela ngebiya le.
Esitanga yazi ngithela ngebiya. Straight. Asina le stadium lesi understand management yakhona yavela. Yona rara Mapagani.
Yeah, quite impressed.
Ngithele ngebiya kangakana. Buzu likwede. Ngithi ngathi izekimi le. Hey.
Ngule usufuna nokuyiminya ngenzani salal ka stadium utar ela le stadium ntanga management yafe
Complain ngayo kid. Upala ma email kusasa.
Now it's calm now.
Yeah.
Ije what you try. I don't think it's better than Mbombela Coast.
I feel like the view wabona in the Aserduti Kamwar, it looks nice, but I think Mbombela overall even beautiful architecture, even from outside, even Kamwar wabona the design looks nice, But Daring, I think Peter Mukaba Leon fit to stands his ground.
For me.
Yeah. Tata.
For me, I'll give shout out to Ama groundsman Agara Peter Mukaba. Because remember last time in December there was a show there, Emoshi Ama Grounds. Yeah, for a while there were no matches that were played on the new one.
Okay, they messed up in the pitch.
Yeah, they messed up. There was a show Gama Cards, I think, last year December.
Okay.
Because the first match played, the first match in April or March for three or 4 months.
Yeah,
It was closed. The pitch was being resurfaced in Yonke. But do you see how beautiful the pitch is yesterday?
Of course.
Top.
Who was
Well
saying it's
maintained.
beautiful? Was he?
Ayi mintanga khohlwa ngathi isigodi ngathi isigodi sibani.
Yeah. No, beautiful. Ghost, what's next on the agenda there?
I think we can look at our luck. Mapagania. So, manje sesiku 20 matches played Mapagania. And then because Fire uthole I correct prediction yokuthi so winner but not correct score, so uzosuka ku 23 aye ku 24, uNengo usuka ku 20 uya ku 21, uGhost usuka ku 18 uya ku 21.
Thank you.
Nah, mara, we're not looking at it 90 minutes.
Asibhekeni kahle. Asiwinanga ntanga thina. Ghost asibeni nevalo mfethu. Ghost ungakho.
Mapagania nkhulumeni siwinile bathi asiwina Mapagania nkhulumeni.
Entanga. Say explain le nto masiqala.
Mfethu.
Uyibheka njenge Betway. Even ntanga ubheje i90 minutes or mashaya score predictions. Sishange 90 minutes.
90 minutes.
Asishange extra time Ghost. Ghost qolungisa ilog mfethu sibonisa lungisa ilog.
Mapagania khulumani bafethu siwinile bathi asiwinanga nakho Mapagania. Akusenani soyilungisa Mapagania shuthi asitholanga ama points ke uFire uzohlala ku 23 uNengo ku 20 Ghost ku 18. But soyifakela uMadlanga bafethu sifakela iCommission.
Sidinga ama commission makuwe ntanga.
Yeah. No, thanks, Ghost.
And then angithi manje siyavala bafethu, so I next game yethu izoba ngoJanuary.
I think ile yangi13 le dlala ne All Stars kodwa.
Oh
Oh
le
yeah.
Kali. Yeah.
Look out for that Mapagania.
Yeah.
Calling All Stars versus Orlando Pirates ngi13.
Ngathi sobe coach uJose ngara.
But apparently bathawekho kuda kuma coaches.
Akunani?
Like kula ma coach avotelwayo bathakekho.
Okay.
Kuthiwa ambassador
So
nje.
AP uzoba ucoach ngapha nangapha.
But angazi ngathi if uyawina ngara then angithi uzoba coach iPagania, so second best kada uyo ozocoacha
Ubani
All
second
Stars.
best mawubhekile?
At the moment I'm not sure, but leading it's AP, Coach AP.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Thanks, Ghost, for the information, Chief. I know we've reached the end of the show, Mapagania. Limpopo was nice, buffet to Peter Mukaba. Shout out again, buffet to all the fans that came through for post-match interviews, buffet to please let's continue to grow the channel, buffet to. We love you, Mapagania. Mr. Mlambo, anything?
Ntanga siyabathanda kakhulu and sibonga ntanga uthando like abasigalona because they are the ones abasipushayo nathi to keep on pushing, and like the respect which they give us, like ukuthi beze kuma post match. I think we still gonna give them a lot of content ntanga.
Yeah.
And the Pirates mfethu iyasinonisa. Yabona nathi Mapagania njengoba siqala mina no Fire la. Messi slim. Bheka manje sesingakanani uyabona ntanga.
Mhlambe wena. Still the same.
Yeah, ngiyadlala Mapagania, but please don't forget to continue liking, sharing and subscribing, and thank for the love bafethu. Danko.
Thanks for the Mapagania, and then moving on to the second coast. That's the managing director.
Director. Again ngumi nami ngizotha sanokubonga kwaMapagania yabona. Bazile ku pre and post.
No, pre and post.
Yeah, interview because nase garage vethu besihlangana nabantu baze they were happy to be interviewed. People from all over mfethu kunama time asesoyothe sihlangane nayo Thembisa.
Yeah.
Enye bethe yase Jimistini uyabona.
Yeah.
Shout out gents. Thanks for the support. Please continue to support us on all social media platforms as well. Monisbona Stadium, please come through.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Said it bafethu from the director himself. That's Pagamativa. Coach.
Yeah, no, Bafethu, I think overall it was a successful trip. We came and we conquered.
Yeah.
Sithatha ikhaphu manje sibuyela nayo esigodini. Ayenjuku bekasicelile ukuthi sifake lapha ebhuthini. So it deliver safely le esigodini bafethu. Sihamba na. LS2. Asingayibala bafethu.
So wathatha in all provinces.
Yeah. Oh, sho ukuthi Nedbank bayisele Durban.
Abadlali ngalama province.
Yeah. Ileague sithathe Cape Town.
Yeah.
Asivaleni mapakani ya Bopa.
Bopa.
Bopa.